you'll get a thumping sound if your Wi-Fi is engaged. So we'll do a test run. We'll turn it on. It's disabled. Enable it. Okay. Okay, so we're enabling it, and we'll do a test video of to get that thumping sound going. Okay, so we'll run a quick video. So what happens is the Wi-Fi interferes with this specific Videomic Go. So what you need to do is turn off your Wi-Fi on your camera or any other local Wi-Fi sources, and then try filming. If it doesn't work then the only other really option is to get rid of this Rode Videomic and get a something that is not this exact model. You can go with the straight Videomic or in one of the other brands. So we'll go ahead. We'll show you the first clip will be with the Wi-Fi on, and then the next clip will be with the Wi-Fi turned off, and that will show you the sound so that you can hear what you're listening for. Test 1 2 3 4. Check 1 2 3. Test 1 2. Audio check. Audio check. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please click the like button. Please subscribe. Press the bell for any updates. And please comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.